feasible if we involve everybody, all the people of Goa, all the panchayats, how the regional plan 2021 was formulated. We have to reorganize, rearrange the plan, considering the fact that many parts of Goa, especially forest area, green areas, CRZ areas, which are unmarked, have to be brought under protection. Otherwise, they will be destroyed. You can imagine 26.5 lakhs square meters were about to be destroyed and we got saved. Still, this section 17(2) amendment still continues. So he can still get the law to the back door. We need that this section amendment has to be scrapped completely. It is time for us to go to Supreme Court and get it scrapped. Otherwise, this man will bring it to some other door. Because Goa has a history, right from Babush Monsarat to Vijay Sardesai. Then came Michael Lobo, and now our man Vishwajit Rane, who is the current DCP minister, has been the most corrupt ministry. And how can a minister hold two portfolios of forest department and also DCP? It's a conflict of interest. Besides being a broker, he's doing all this nonsense. Like he allows the cutting of trees, he allows the destruction of CRZ areas, he allows the concretization of the destruction of the groundwater. Our entire earth, entire Goa has been destroyed completely by this man. So we have to get him out and ensure that once this man is out, the new person who comes doesn't repeat this nonsense. Yeah? Thank you very much.
आज जे भाशेन आमी इतलो लोक सगळो एकठांय जालो चोयला. वी सपोर्ट दीस एंटायर मुवमेंट. असेंब्ली भितर आमगे काम आतां सगळ्याक उलयतालो आनी ही टोल्ड मी यू एन्श्योर दॅट एवरीथींग इज डन रायट इनसायड द असेंब्ली बींग अ लेजिस्लेटर, एंड वीच आय हॅव ऑलवेज टोल्ड हिम दॅट जें कितें असेंब्ली उलोवपा आहा, you give it to me, I will be the voice of the people. And today, this year is a people's movement, and I am here to support this people's movement against all the demands that are being put. 17(2)चे 39 एयाचेर गेल्या वर्सा जे उलयले आमी, गेल्या वर्सा फेब्रुवारी म्हयन्यान आमी जेन्ना उलयल्ले, इन 2023 जुलय म्हयन्यान जेन्ना आमी उलयल्ले, हे आख्खे गोंयान चोयल्लो आहा. आमकां हे गोंय जे राखपाचें काम दिल्लें आहा ते आमी MLA जावन आनी स्वप्नेशा असले वर देखणार जाणू गोंय साल्वार जावपाना. आज सगल्यो पंचायती एक जावपाची गरज आहा. सगळे पंचायतींनी आपल्या गेले जमीन जी आहा पंचायतींनी, ती पंचायती जमीन मॉनिटर करून तेजेर प्रोटेस्ट करून तेजे बोरोईन कोणूय कितें इलिगल करता तें नोंदणी हाडपाची गरज. आनी तेन्ना जरी तर आमी सगळे एकठांय रावले आनी युनिटी दवरली जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता हे DCP मिनिस्टर आज हो आहा फाल्यां आनी कोण आसतलो. सो इट वील नॉट मॅटर हुएवर इज द मिनिस्टर. फायनली वी हॅव टू बी युनायटेड, वी हॅव टू प्रोटेक्ट आवर लँड, एंड वी हॅव टू मेक शुअर नोबडी डज illegal activities in our villages, in our wards. I am here to support this entire movement. I am here with the people. I am here with the demand so that to sack the present DCP minister, that is Vishwajit Rane, and we will make sure that these demands are put up in the assembly, which is going to start in the next week.
सगळ्यांक इव्हेंट आपल्या सोशल मिडिया हँडलाचेर शेअर करचो विथ द हॅशटॅग विश्वजीत राणे रिजाइन. सेकंड हॅशटॅग सॅक विश्वजीत राणे. करूया? थँक्यू.
सोडचेना रे सोडचेना, जिंकले बघून सोडचेना, सोडचेना रे सोडचेना, जिंकले बघून सोडचेना. आमचे गोय, आमचे गोय, आमचा जाय, आमचे गोय, आमचा जाय, आमचे गोय, आमचा जाय. विश्वजीत राणे रिजाइन, 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 रिजाइन. Go back, go back. विश्वजीत राणे go back, go back, go back. विश्वजीत राणे go back, go back, go back.